the city on. Came back through Rodo, they Peter, so I'm really on. Get rich or die trying, I had 50 on. Bitches ringing out my phone like, is you really home?
Hello everyone, I'm Tathagat and this video is going to be emotional to me and it is very important to me. So many of you know about the Console Gaming Hub, which is the gaming brand I started as an experimental way and I started the operations of it. Okay, or many of you haven't know about it because it is not a highly publicly known as a gaming brand. It's just a idea that I started. तो आज हम बेसिकली मैंने ये गेमिंग ब्रांड के ऑपरेशंस को स्टॉप क्यों किया है उसके बारे में देखेंगे. ओके, दैट्स मीन जो भी मैंने इस जर्नी में देखा है, एक्सपीरियंस किया है इन अ प्रैक्टिकल वे, दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट दैट एक्सपीरियंस ओवरऑल. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड विल डिस्कस अबाउट जर्नी. तो सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन यही होगा कि मैंने ये पर्टिकुलर गेमिंग ब्रांड चालू क्यों किया, इसके ऑपरेशंस क्यों किए एंड सो ऑन. सो ओवरऑल द रीजन बिहाइंड आई स्टार्टेड दिस गेमिंग ब्रांड. सो लास्ट ईयर when I was pursuing my BBA final year, so I have to make the project about related to startups. I chose the certain topic about the startups. Okay, so on that I just have to be hypothesis which is related to equity and market stability and so on. So for that I just thought that कि भाई मैं theoretically thesis बना सकता हूँ, which is market में पूछताछ करके भी theoretically कर सकता हूँ. If I will start a gaming or any certain kind of brand, so it is beneficial to me because practical knowledge is must matter in a business. When I was pursuing business, so अगर मैं practical कुछ चीजें करूँगा ही नहीं, so how I learn? Because I strongly believe in if I'm doing certain things, I'm doing by learning by doing, which is most matter to me. Okay, so this is the thing about started the gaming brand, and the reason I started the gaming brand because of previously I had a strong interest in gaming, so I just start that in future if I will make the gaming brand, so I will make it into highway. It is not about I just only do the gaming brand increasing. I just मुझे था कि मैं गेमिंग ब्रांड बना के भी रखूँ, सो किसी के साथ मिलके इसको मैं बहुत अच्छी लेवल पे इंक्रीज कर सकता हूँ. दिस इज द मेन आइडिया ऑन दैट टाइम. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट स्टार्टिंग व्हाई आई स्टार्टेड द गेमिंग ब्रांड. ओके, so guys, if I'm talking about my whole journey, so it is very impactful in my life. This journey is very impactful in my life क्योंकि इसका क्रेडिट मैं ओवरऑल देना चाहता हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ कि इट्स गुड कि ओवरऑल मैंने ये ब्रांड चालू किया, ऑपरेशन चालू किए इसके. सो आई फेस टू मैनी डिफिकल्टीज इन इट and which is the good thing that happened with me because कि अच्छी चीज़ें होती तो मैं कई हद तक प्रॉफिट चीज़ें कमा लेता था. वो एक रहता ना कि भाई गलत चीज़ें होती है तो लर्निंग्स बहुत मिलती है. सो दिस इज हैपन विथ मी एंड आई एम ग्लैड दैट आई हैड फेस डिफिकल्टीज, प्रेशर एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स एंड लर्न फ्रॉम इट दैट इन माई नेक्स्ट जर्नी व्हाट आई हैव टू फोकस ऑन. सो बेसिकली ये बिजनेस मैंने चालू किया था मेरे कुछ दोस्तों के साथ, वो भी उस एरिया के सर्टेन दोस्त थे. सो उनके साथ मैंने बहुत सी चीज़ें सीखी एंड बेसिकली किसी के साथ कुछ ग्रजेस नहीं है एंड सो ऑन. सो ओवरऑल आई लव टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस जर्नी. दिस जर्नी टीचेस मी how to deal with customers, how selling is most matter in every kind of business, which is like people thought about I will do not get specialization in marketing and selling, but I realized that how sales and marketing is a very strong pillar of the business. Like हम ना फाइनेंस को बहुत प्रिविलेज देते जितना अपन मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स को नहीं देते. आई थॉट दैट कि फाइनेंस एंड मार्केटिंग सेल्स इज ऑल्सो proper stability. That means finance and marketing business को equally stability देते. Okay, so this is the thing I that learned. Also, I learned that how team management is very efficient as well as the gaming brand. दैट्स मीन कि अगर मेरे पास गेमिंग ब्रांड भी है और टीम नहीं है प्रॉपरली, तो वो कितना अफेक्ट कर सकता है। आई लर्न बाय डूइंग थिंग्स, सो दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट लर्निंग आई डिड। आई लर्न, सो दिस इज अबाउट अ जर्नी। मतलब ओवरऑल मैंने ये चीज़ सीखी कि भाई अगर मैं बिजनेस चालू कर रहा हूँ या ब्रांड बना रहा हूँ, मार्केटिंग कर रहा हूँ, सब चीज़ें सही से कर रहा हूँ, बट इट इज़ वेरी मैटर दैट कि जब तक बिजनेस सेट नहीं होता, वी हैव टू गिव ऑल द टाइम टू set the business, and then after that I just have to make a system that they will manage it. And in future, whenever I will thought about to doing business, about the business, I will definitely sure that I will give time to it. If I will not properly give my time, so I will look it out that doing business with person who is desperate about to do the business, particular business, and I will work with him. So this is all. So the question is that why I'm quitting this business process and why I want to move towards my other goals. So basically, which is this idea is just only the operational based thing, which is I just want to start it as an idea in a startup way, which is give me the particular education, particular experience about certain things like how to operate business, how to handle customers, and how to collaborate with the teammates and so on. So as per talking about the time, I just gave 6 to 7 months to it. Okay, so basically if I want to move towards other things, like I have to pursue my MBA journey, so I just have to give time to there. So as for talking about team management, so they are not ready to give their time towards the business, so I just made a decision that I have to stop the business and then focus on my educational journey. So the brand is still exist here, and if there will who wants to continue this brand, who wants to work with me, so I am ready to work with him or else. So this is the thing, and this is the reason why I want to quit this business process, and this is it. Thank you. Now the other important question is that what about the business? So basically I'm just quitting the business process, not entire brand. So the brand is still exist here in the market, and I'm really pretty sure that if I get someone who really wants to enter in a business market and really operates the gaming brand, so I am ready to work with him. So basically, if whoever wants to continue with this brand, and if you really want to know about this brand, so I am ready to give the overall things about the business and the brand, the Console Gaming Hub. So just mail at my email ID, and if you could reach into the Instagram and so on. So this is all about the brand and everyday details that I am sharing with you guys. So this is all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you new here, so please make subscribe to my channel, and if you really want to join this journey, so please subscribe it, share it, and please like it.